Adding lists is easy with spelling stars. Go to Manage Lists, Add Lists. Name your list. The rest is optional. Click Add Words. From here, you can input one word at a time or copy and paste in words. Add each word in a sentence. You can use Suggest a Sentence, or you can select Copy Paste, paste in your words here, and then match sentences to my words where available. You can always edit sentences later. Once you upload or add words, you'll see the list starting to be built here. It's automatically saved as you add each word. To view your lists later, just go to Manage Lists and view Edit Delete Lists. You can go here, edit words within the list. See those at the bottom. Or you can change the list name or duplicate the list. You can also import copy our lists and then edit them later, or you can upload lists from a CSV file or an Excel sheet. You can also download an example file here. So as you see, to add lists is quite easy. You can add lists, import them, or upload them, and copy and paste them in. If you have any questions about adding lists, please let us know at info@spellingstars.com or call us at 888-750-3878. Thank you for watching.